Hi friend! Now I want to open this Sylvanian famous red roof country pole. Yes, it's so great. Yes, and the sizes are so big. You want to know what is inside? What are you waiting for? Let's open it up. Wow, there's the stairs on it. Let's just put it over here. And then wow, this is the ground one. It's so heavy. I don't know where should I put it right over. And I think it's done. So let's start with the red roof. Done. And then let's start with the stairs. I'm gonna put the stairs right over here. Okay. And this is the second floor. Now let's open the things that in the plastic. Let's start with the handle. Yes, that was it. So this is the short handle. There's 3 pieces of the short handle, and this is the long handle. There's 5 pieces more than the short handle. So let's put all the handle. Let's start with the short one. The short one is right over the door. So let's start with one more. And the small handle, it can be in here, 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 and that's all. So you must put the battery here to turn on the lamp. Left on it. So beautiful! Yeah, that's so beautiful. You also can connect it with the red cozy cottage. This is the cozy cottage. You know how to connect your cozy cottage. I will tell you. So put this top floor to this side. So you need to move this and this part. This part, no need. So let's put the cozy cottage here. It's done. Now you have 3-floor sofa